Hey everybody, Mr. Kevin here. I'm about to pick the winner for the Butcher Block giveaway. After all the duplicates, there's only 10 of you that did it. So 1 in 10 chance of winning a $250 Butcher Block. I got the URL in there and we got the random picker. I'm going to squeeze you in here so you can see better. And I'm going to hit the start button. Ready to go. And who's going to win? And here it goes. And the winner is J.A. John Anderson, is that you? Well, Mr. J.A. and Mr. Johnny Redboard, I do believe that's you. You won. If you go to the About section, you can get my email right here. It says View Email Address. Email me and tell me where you want me to drop it off, or I'll mail it to you, or whatever you want to do. Johnny Redboard, you're the winner. Yay! I'll see you next time on Woodworking with Mr. Kevin. Thanks for playing. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for hanging out with me and listening to my baloney. And J.A., you're a winner. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. And a Butcher Block. And I think I'm going to start building stuff and giving whatever I build away when I have a chance to do that too. So stay tuned. And thanks for watching Woodworking with Mr. Kevin. We'll see you next time. Bye.